To Sri Lanka, where the financial crisis is only worsening, the country's gross foreign reserves dropped to $2.36 billion. According to data released by Sri Lanka's central bank, Sri Lanka had $3.13 billion in December 2021. This dip has come amid debt repayment and possible interventions. Sri Lanka got $400 million swap from India in January. India also repaid a $500 million sovereign bond. China in November replenished Sri Lanka's Forex with a $1.5 billion equivalent renminbi swap. Sri Lanka also liquidated more gold in January recently. The central bank has been intervening heavily in Forex markets, giving reserves for imports. Sri Lanka is facing a shortage of almost all essential commodities as depleting Forex hit imports. The opposition leader slammed the Rajapaksa government over the economic crisis and demanded the central bank governor must detail the future course of action. The South Asian island was plunged into crisis after a series of rating downgrades following large tax cuts in 2019. Loss of tourism due to COVID-19 also hurt Sri Lanka's ability to tap global markets. The country owes almost $15 billion in bonds, according to the World Bank, and it needs to pay around $7 billion this year in interest and debt repayments. Our correspondent, Sonia Thoda, has sent us this report from Colombo. Take a look.
Sri Lanka's forex reserves fell by a further 24%, where official figures show that the current forex reserves in the island nation is just a little over $2 billion. We must keep in mind that this $2 billion includes a currency swap with China as well as a credit line that was extended by India. That's not all. Sri Lanka's gold reserves also appear to have fallen by more than half in comparison with the previous statistics. The question that remains among everyone is when will officials come forward and declare as to what exactly happened to this forex reserves and how best will the island nation overcome a burdening financial crisis. Reporting for WION World is one from Colombo and Sonia Thoda.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.